Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your career situation and your relationship, guys. So these are for your daily energies, guys, and I'll be picking one card each randomly, guys. So this is for your career situation and this is for your relationship. So we will open the cards as we proceed. Sagittarius, for your daily energies, the sun, the world in reverse, temperance, guys. So with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you have that confidence, courage and that determination to face any situation, overcome any obstacles and make things manifest in your life. So whatever you need to achieve, you are able to do that. That is what this card is about. And you have that harmony and balance in your life today, guys. So whatever characteristics, whatever feelings that you have, emotions that you have, you are able to balance that. You are able to make good use of that, wield that emotions or wield your abilities in such a way that you are able to use that as your strength in any situation. So that is what these cards are about. And also, guys, for some of you it may relate in your career or in your relationship, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are just resting. That resting energy is there. Maybe you are taking time. This may be a waiting period for you before some successful start of some projects or some work. So or it may be a holiday, guys. So you may be enjoying a holiday. That is also the energy here. Overall, I see here that you have that confidence and courage in your heart, guys, to manifest anything just like you wish. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. No place like home. So with this card, guys, the energy for you all is that in your situation today, guys, whatever choices that you make in your career or whatever investments you are making in your business, when you are doing it based on that truth that is in you, based on your dreams or whatever achievements or goals you have for yourself, when you do that based on that truth, you will be able to unleash that greater potential in your work, guys. So whatever the results may be, maybe some thing may give you success, some choices may give you failures, but you will see it as a blessing, whatever it is, because you have made that choice truthfully from your heart of hearts. So that is what this card is about. This is about that truthfulness and authenticity. So you have to make that authentic decisions for yourself in your career situation, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Peace. So with this card, guys, for your relationship, this may be what your person feels towards you or what you feel towards your person. The appearance of this card just shows that you have that perfect alignment with each other, guys. That harmony and balance is there in this relationship. This may be a twin flame, a soulmate connection, guys. That is the reason for the appearance of this card. So you have that perfect understanding, intimacy, that deep connection with this person, and you would have felt that familiarity with this person even at the first time when you met them. So that is what this card is about, Sagittarius, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.